Our goal is to prevent traffic fatalities as much as possible, ensure road safety and guarantee the smooth flow of traffic. But another important and forward-looking aspect is traffic management systems, where we're also involved in research projects with a view to shaping the future. For more than 40 years, VITRONIC from Wiesbaden has been a leader in image processing, which is used in many areas. In addition to the transport sector, VITRONIC technology has also become indispensable in the logistics industry. Their technology is also used to check weld seams in industry for safety. VITRONIC is now an international player with more than 1,400 employees worldwide. There are no limits to the pursuit of ever better products, and so HEDELIUS from Meppen is now an important partner for VITRONIC, illustrated by the TILTENTA 7 Neo, also purchased for shuttle operation with 2 work areas. 2 components have just been completed. Now, while the other machine continues to run here, I put the next work pieces in and take out the finished ones. They're completely different parts in terms of requirements. One is a very complex part that's machined from all sides. And here we have a part that's not as complex, which we can machine much more in one go. This gives us a lot more leeway, and that makes our lives easier. In the field of measurement technology in particular, it's extremely important that we can rely on quality, accuracy and repeatability. And that's an important quality standard that we also require of our products. We feel that we're in good hands with the machine and also with HEDELIUS as a company. And the TILTENTA 2600 we purchased is extremely important to us because it can produce single series cost effectively and flexibly, but it can also process small series of 100 to 200 pieces economically. Fast and direct communication channels are important for customers and for HEDELIUS. Business partners have names, faces and ideas. So we were tasked with delivering a very flexible machine. It was great that we were able to integrate the required zero-point clamping system into the table. But the machine can also be automated, which would increase flexibility and allow pallet automation to run during the night shift, for example, in order to expand production. Of course we can't predict the future, but it was important to us that we had the option. We've already integrated an automatic door opening system. This was done for ergonomic reasons and also to be prepared for future automation. The machine already offers perfect functionality for small series and prototypes, but we also have the option of generating higher quantities and longer running times in the future when we expand automation. The TILTENTA 7 Neo is like a well-known chocolate bar, versatile, compact and efficiently designed. The installation space is absolutely great. The lighting conditions are excellent. You can see everything. I really can't complain. I'm very happy with it.